Worst kind of people, that's Matt tell you. Worst kind. No lie. Yo, what's up? This is Xavier and welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be reacting to Andor. It's season 1 episode 2. Last episode we got an introduction to the characters. We got Cassian. He's Ferrari, not Ferrari, Fenani. No. But yeah, so interesting Cassian is looking for his sister. He killed a couple people, and then this guard is like looking way too deep into the matter. He ignored the superior's advice. He's taking the time on the superior's away to like dig into it. And okay, we see Cassian trying to sell some stuff, and we also get some stuff on his background, and he owes people favors and all that. So yeah, we're gonna see what happened. We ended last episode with him walking off with the group in his background. Looks like he's trying to prove himself or whatever, something like that, you know? Right, so let's just work with that and roll into it, and let's just get into it. Okay, so we're starting off where we left off. Okay, cool. You need to stay closer to the group. Can't be lagging behind that Cassian. Okay, it's cut. Why are you wandering off? Stick with the group. See, that's how people get into trouble. What is this? Okay, what's that? Is that like their alarm? Like their version of a clock? I don't know.
Too tired for a meal?
Is that the plan?
Could be.
I thought we said 1 night a week.
Yep, so start the week tonight.
I like his thinking. Is he going snooping? Yeah, he's snooping. Oh, he's putting 202 together. Is he gonna sell out Cassian? He has that look in his eyes.
Hey. Hey, me.
Is this his house?
Okay.
Or rather where he stays most of the time?
Actually, no, I don't think so, but people, yes.
Who?
And so do
Well,
you.
how many?
I don't know. It's not something I've been keeping track of.
When everyone I've told is dead.
That's ridiculous.
No, it's all your women I'm worried about.
Oh, come on, please.
Femi, Carla,
Stop,
Sondri.
stop!
There's something I don't even know.
Oh, this guy is a womanizer?
All these primo bastards about Canary.
That would be me.
Yep, it was him. He sold us himself.
Cassian, what have you done?
Just kill some people. Nothing else of the ordinary, you know.
What did you do?
Two guys jumped me and went too far.
How far is too far?
They died. That's how far.
He's coming.
Who was
The
he?
fire's coming.
Oh, okay. Oh, is this Tim Spine? Yep. Of course he is. Oh, whoa, is he calling in? Calling in the tip about him? I gotta say, he's good at his job though. Unfortunately for Cassian.
No, I meant yes. It's not too late.
I couldn't sleep. But if it's not a good time,
No. Not at all.
Oh, of course, you let her in. It's never too late. But I think she's gonna find out he sold Cassian out.
2 men dead. Line of duty. Colleagues. It's outrageous.
Exactly. The thought of anything less than full engagement on a case like this
Unconscionable, sir. Dereliction of duty at the minimum.
would be, wouldn't it?
Face your men, yourself, the rest of your life, knowing you did less than everything you possibly could. I've been saying all along we need a stronger hand with these affiliated planets.
Of oh, he's that type of person. Okay.
And pass along your kind words to the Chief Inspector.
So,
Ugh. Worst kind of people, that's I tell you, worst kind. No lie. Not that being a criminal is correct, but them people that no. No thanks. What's that? Oh, something the rebel, something regarding the rebels. Some kind of communication device with them? Oh, I think that was the thing he's trying to sell, I think. Maybe that was it. Okay, just gonna wait a little bit more for that to play out. Okay, whatever. I assume this is the buyer coming in now. That's a familiar face. I don't remember how or where I know it, but that's a familiar face.
Hey. What are you doing?
Couldn't sleep.
His thoughts are battling against him, I guess. Ah, that is old canary stick. Someone gonna be alive inside. Are they? That does not look good. I don't think you should. His face does not look good. I don't think you should. Oh. Jeez. Those darts take a long time to work, don't they? But see, all them kind of lame because they saw him waking up. They could have warned her, but they didn't. And when him shoot her, them start act. Can you believe that? He's gonna go inside.
Abandoned after Imperial mining disaster. Mining, everyone died. Abandoned and considered toxic, Imperial prohibition. No, there's no reward. Corporate enforcement are looking for someone. You know anybody from Canary?
No, he doesn't.
You want immediacy and discretion. That's an expensive combo.
I got 500.
Well, you should plan more carefully. Would you let it go?
Some translations for these alien languages would be helpful.
West Team will include Deputy Inspector Khan and myself. We will endeavour to serve the warrant and exfil rapidly. North and East Team will take positions accordingly for a pincer movement should the subject attempt to flee. Andor should be considered armed and dangerous. We will have the element of surprise, but there should be no illusions. as to the risks involved.
What about the South?
I can't imagine a team I'd rather share it with than all of you. There's no room for doubt on the path to...
Ew, you're boring them, lad.
Best of luck to us all.
Rousing speech. Yeah.
Well said, son. Inspiring.
Oh yeah. God. Oh yeah. Inspiring. I was so inspired. I'm ready to kill. I'm so ready to roughhouse the citizens. I'm ready to be an imperial lapdog. Yay me. What a speech.
We should be charging them. Party shit.
60 credits.
Gotcha.
That guy's face looked familiar too.
No need to explain. Who knows who you're talking to these days?
Yeah, exactly.
If you can't find it here, it's not worth finding.
Oh, he's a Skarsgård. I don't remember his name, but yeah, that's him. Cause I remember his face now from the Thor movies, right? That's him. And I'm sure I've seen him in other stuff, but I remember the Thor is most prominent, so why I remember him as the Doctor, Selvig. Wait, give it to me again with the ending. Alright, so that was episode 2 of Andor. To be honest, not a lot happened. This is gonna be a short discussion, I'll tell you that. We saw some more of the mission that Cassian was on Canary. And there was background on that the what do we call it? They went to the ship that crashed. They surrounded the place, the ship. Their leader went in to search and everything, but she got killed by one of the soldiers in the ship, and yeah, so that's that for that part, basically. And well, we saw that there was like a big crater, so that there was mining going on there, so that confirms. So we saw later in the episode that they're talking about the planet was abandoned because of some Imperial mining disaster. And so the guys in the ship, they were wearing masks for some reason, so I'm assuming that's related to that. What else? Tim ratted Cassian out. He did some horizontal mambo with Biggs. After Biggs, because Tim made the decision to do that, to rat Cassian out because she had turned him down earlier, and then he went to the bar and he saw her and Cassian together, and so in a fiend mind, that was cause to rat him out, and it was just her finding out what was up with him and warning him, and also telling him that the buyer was on the way. And yeah, so and then she was like, "Yo, I need some to put me to sleep. Let's do the deal." And build up bing bada they did it. So, but he looked get ridden or something like that the whole time right there. So yeah, you can tell something was weighing on his mind. And speaking of the buyer, you saw him. It was Skarsgård. Which Skarsgård was that? Let me look at this. Andor episode 2 cast. Okay, so I just did some research and so the old man I was talking about, that was, his name is, what was his name? Ron Cook. So I know him from Hot Fuzz and what was this other thing? Hot Fuzz and The Witcher. So he was the dragon in The Witcher, and he was also in Hot Fuzz as one of the townspeople. The townsperson? Hot Fuzz. Right, Georgia Merchant, yeah. I remember him. I remember his face, so that's where I knew him from. And also, the buyer was Stellan Skarsgård. Okay, so that's how I know those two faces. But yeah, so going back to the episode, it was well done, everything, all of that, but it was kind of just like nothing happened. Stuff happened, like we saw Cassian getting ready, he's talking to the ship guy, like, yo, get the ship ready for an hour, negotiating the price and all that. Tim and Big 76, Cassian with Fiona Shaw is the character plays Marva, and she plays the aunt. She plays Harry's aunt, Aunt Petunia in the Harry Potter movies, right? That's one. I didn't have to look it up. I recognized her face. Anything else happened? Yeah. On the Imperial side, they figure out who that Cassian is the guy, and they come. Because they got the tip. They put out the bulletin, and then they got the tip. That's right? And then they got the picture of his face, and I'm assuming they asked the lady at the receptionist, I don't know, at the lounge place to identify him. Right, and then so the deputy inspector, he calls in this very committed guy who was like, yo, discipline and all that, and they rush up a team. The sergeant, he gives her some plans and everything, and his men are like, yo, yeah, let's go. And then the inspector gives a speech and he bores them to tears to sleep. Boo. No, my bro, you do not have it. You do not have the riz, you don't have the sauce, you don't have the charm. No, nada, zilch. Yeah, sucks for him. But yeah, and so we end this episode with a scene of Cassian walking towards the camera in some junkyard or whatever, or maybe some shipyard. Right, so fun. Okay, well, we'll keep moving. Let's see what episode 3 brings. And those are my thoughts. Goodbye.